Hello. It's such an exciting day today because we are going to make a boat. So let's see what do we have in our book. Wow, we see a beautiful boat right here. But let's see how our boat looks. The materials required for this one are marble papers, pencil, stencil, sketch pen, scissor and glue. So let's take the first sheet of paper. Yes, you can take any colored paper. And then take the 12 by 12 centimeter square. Yes, the stencil which is already provided. Let's make some space on our table and start doing the activity. Yes, we're going to take this square and start tracing it. This looks amazing, isn't it? Fill the gap now and then start cutting. Of course, you need to remember that you have to go right on top of the pencil mark and also make sure that you do not hurt yourself. Just cut it in a standing line. Yes, let's do this together. This looks great, isn't it? Now we are going to place this just like a diamond and then take the top till the bottom. Press it with your first finger and then open it. Once you open it, you need to take the top part till the center line and the bottom part till the center line. And finally, fold it from here and turn it. And look, the bottom part of the boat is ready. Let's stick this together. Once we are done sticking it, we are going to go to the next step, which is making a thin stick, for which we are going to take green colored paper. You can also take a blue colored or any other colored paper you like. Let's go very slow while making this stick. And well, we require a smaller stick. Hence, we are going to cut this paper from the middle. And then continue making the stick once again. The slower you go and the more you press it, the better the stick is going to be. Yes, it is going to be thin as well. So, let's fold it nicely, put some glue right here and stick it. Spread the glue properly all over the place. And then roll it inwards and stick it. This can be a little tricky, but once you get a hang of it, you will be able to do it nicely. That's great. Cut it from both the sides. After that, let's see what is the next step. Well, yes, the next step is making a 10 by 10 centimeter square. So let's take our stencil and start making this. You can make this on whichever piece of paper you like. Let's cut this together. That's amazing. The next thing we do is hold it like a diamond and fold it from side to side. Which shape do we get? Yes, we get a triangle. Now we are going to place this stick over here at first. But we still have some space at the bottom. So not to worry, we are going to take the cut piece of our stick which we cut earlier and stick it with this. Put some glue on this entire line. Yes, inside the dotted lines. And after that, stick this together. Make sure there is no space between the two stuck parts. And look, our stick is ready. We are going to stick it very gently. This looks great. Let's take the bottom part and stick it. Well, yes, we are only going to put glue on the borders. Yes, like this. And then stick the boat on top. After that, let's put the glue right here. Place our triangle there. This looks amazing. We have a small circle right here. So let's make this circle. All we have to do is take a sheet of paper which is green in color, and you can also take a circle or maybe a coin to trace this, and then cut it. Let's cut this together. And then all you get is this shape. So let's put a circle right here and then paste it. Once we're done with the activity, do not forget to close your glue. And after that, we will take a blue colored sketch pen and start making our beautiful waves. Yes, the boat is always in water, isn't it? That's where it sails. So, let's make these beautiful curved lines for our waves. And look, we are done with this one.